Control system part 5. Question number 101. Dash is directly converts temperature into voltage. Dash is directly converts temperature into voltage. Option A, thermocouple is the correct answer. Thermocouple directly converts temperature into voltage. Question number 102. The transfer function technique is considered as inadequate under which of the following conditions? The transfer function technique is considered as inadequate under which of the following conditions? Option D is the correct answer, because the above reasons should be inadequate for transfer function, that are systems having complexities and non-linearities. Second one, systems having stability problems and system having multiple input disturbances. So these are the conditions for inadequate. So once again we read the question. The transfer function technique is considered as inadequate, that means not suitable, under which are the following conditions? That is systems having complexities and non-linearities, and systems having stability problems, and systems having multiple input disturbances. So these are the reasons for inadequate. Next question number 103. Which of the following is the output of a thermocouple? Which of the following is the output of a thermocouple? So option D, DC voltage. Once again, which of the following is the output of a thermocouple? Option D, DC voltage. Question number 105. AC servo motor is basically a option C, two-phase induction motor. Question number 105. The first order control system which is well designed has a large negative transfer function pole. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 106. Which of the following is exhibited by Root-Lucas diagram? Option A, the poles of the transfer function for a set of parameter values. So once again, which of the following is exhibited by Root-Lucas diagram? The poles of the transfer function for a set of parameter values. Question number 107. The value of resonant peak in second order control system will be unity when the damping ratio has a value of option C, 1 by root 2. The value of resonant peak in the second order control system will be unity. Note this point, will be unity. Resonant peak is unity in second order system when the damping ratio has a value of option C, 1 by root 2. Question number 108. Proportional band of a controller is expressed as percentage. Option A is the correct answer. Once again, question number 108. Proportional band of a controller is expressed as percentage. Question number 109. When derivative action is included in a proportional controller, the proportional band, option C, remains unaffected. When derivative action is included in a proportional controller, the proportional band remains unaffected. Question number 110. In case of an on-off controller, the proportional band is 0. In case of on-off controller, the proportional band is option C, 0. Question number 111. A limit switch is used to option D, convert mechanical motion to electrical signal. Question number 112. The lead compensator in a feedback system. The lead compensator in a feedback system. Revise the options. Option A increases the system error constant to some extent. Option B speeds up the transient response. Option C increases the margin of stability. Option D all of the above. So option D is the correct answer. Once again we read the question. The lead compensator in a feedback system increases the system error constant to some extent and speeds up the transient response and increases the margin of stability. Okay. Question number 113. Bandwidth is used as a means of specifying performance of a control system related to option B the speed of response. Option B the speed of response. Once again, bandwidth is used as a means of specifying performance of a control system related to the speed of response. So bandwidth, speed of response. Question number 114. Dash is not a form of non-linearity for a control system. Dash is not a form of non-linearity for a control system. So option D all of the above, that are square law transfer characteristics, backlash, saturation. These are not a form of non-linearity. Okay, once again, dash is not a form of non-linearity for a control system. One, square law transfer characteristics, backlash and saturations. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 115. A servo motor entails which of the following disadvantages? A servo motor entails which of the following disadvantages? Option C low starting torque. A servo motor entails which of the following disadvantages? Option C low starting torque. Next question. Question number 116. Which of the following is provided by a cells in servo system? Which of the following is provided by cells in servo system? Option B electrical gearing between two shafts. Question number 117. In distributed systems, the transportation delays are determined. In distributed systems, the transportation delays are determined to stability due to which of the following reasons? Option C, they produce a phase lag. Once again, in distributed systems, the transportation delays are determinant to stability due to which of the following reasons? They produce phase lag. Question number 118. For root low pass technique, which of the following statements is incorrect? So option D is the correct answer, none of the above. The reasons are: it provides the pattern of movement of closed loop poles when open loop gain varies. Second one, it is used to obtain closed loop pole configuration from open loop poles and zeros. It is most useful for single input and single output. These statements are correct for root low cost techniques. These statements are correct to the root low cost techniques. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 119. Diodes are connected in series with AC source of magnetic amplifier mainly to option C avoid desaturation of a core due to negative half cycle. Avoid desaturation of core due to negative half cycle. So diodes are connected in series with AC source of the magnetic amplifier mainly to avoid desaturation of core due to negative half cycle. Question number 120. The steady state acceleration error for type 1 system is. A steady state acceleration error for a type 1 system is infinite. Option D is the correct answer. The steady state acceleration error for type 1 system is infinite. Question number 121. Type 1 system under parabolic input will have which of the following? Once again, type 1 system under parabolic input will have which of the following? Option C, activating signal which will increase with time. Option C, activating signal which will increase with time. Question number 122. A servo mechanism with unit step input can be categorized as type 1 system. A servo mechanism with unit step input can be categorized as type 1 system. Question number 123. A transfer function may be best defined as. A transfer function may be best defined as. Option A, ratio of the Laplace transform of the system response to the Laplace transform of the system input function. So system response to system input function for the Laplace transforms. So option A is the correct answer. Once again, a transfer function may be best defined as. Option A, ratio of the Laplace transform of the system response to the Laplace transform of the system input function. Question number 124. Dash is the input which is established or varied by some means external to and independent of the feedback control system. Option A, command. So command is the input which is established or varied by some means of external to and independent of the feedback control system. Question number 125. Analysis of control system by Laplace transform is not possible for. Option A, discrete time systems. Analysis of control system by Laplace transform technique is not possible for. Option A, discrete time systems. Discrete time systems.